Hey guys, what is up? It's Super Jack here with another video for you guys today. And yes, I know, it's getting dark and I still got the sunglasses on, but these are prescription ones. This is why I've got them on all the time. And just when you're driving, like, I don't know if anyone else notices it, just that glare now and again. It could be because of the other glasses I wear, but it just, but anyway, the sun's come down so quick. I'm still wearing them, but if I take them off, I'll literally be blind. But we're on our way home now, so that's all good. I just noticed it doesn't look that dark actually, but it's obviously because I got these on and it looks darker. But anyway, so just a quick video. First of all, just if anyone watching this has any good recommendations for a dash cam, ideally I want a 2 or 3 channel dash cam. So I want to be able to film in front, in the cab, and in the cabin. If it's a third one, that's fine, because that will mean it's front, cabin, and rear. I've seen a few out there, but just interested on what your guys' opinions are, and if you've come across a good one, let me know. Put in the description, link it in the description, because I am looking to get one hopefully this Friday, on Black Friday. This Friday coming, get myself a little deal hopefully on it, and that'll also, I did have a dash cam for a long time, but I just ended up, I think it just broke or something, and since we've been back from lockdown I haven't really got one, but I definitely should, and you guys know all the reasons why. But I can also make better videos, because I'll just have it filming me, have it filming out on the front, so you guys can see what's going on. Endless possibilities. But apart from that, I just wanted to let you guys know my observations on surge at the moment, since we noticed that it was altered in some way like a week or so ago. And from speaking to you guys, it seems like it's a national thing. It's not just for me, and not just me that noticed it. It's national. So what's going on? Well, obviously they're trying to please the customers more than the drivers, and that's a risky thing to do. But I'll just let you know what my observations have been since. It's not gone completely, obviously. It's nowhere near as volatile as it used to be just recently, in terms of how much it could surge by. That's changed. I haven't seen many high surge jobs come through at all, and we can't even tell now, obviously, with the new change, what it is. You have to try to guess. So it's becoming a lot harder to predict, and it's becoming a lot harder for drivers to make a decision on a job in 10 seconds, 5 seconds, however long we get. So these are issues, but it's just stuff we got to get used to. You can still make great money. Not the case if the traffic's bad, like if a big event's just finished, like we've had the rugby and the roads are manic. That's not usually gonna work well with no surge, and especially like rush hour and things. But weekends, when the traffic's light, you can still make great money, just off base rates and the occasional surge trips that come through. Like yesterday I had a surge trip come through, and it was about a 3 times surge. It was like a 6 or 7 pound job, and I got 18. So and the weird thing was, the rest of it wasn't visibly heavily surging. So it seems like some trips might come through surged quite heavily, but if you sort of didn't accept that and waited for another one to come through, it's just a small surge, like a 1.2 or something. So some customers somehow are getting shafted, and seem to be on the old system. Maybe something to do with app updates. I don't know. Doubt it. But that would be really strange if that was the case. But yeah, observations are that surge still happens. It's just not as fruitful as it was. And maybe we had too much of a good run with it, and they needed to rein it in, whatever it might be. I still would have liked to hear something from them to tell us why this is happening, what's going on, rather than be kept in the dark a little bit with it. But that's the way it goes, I guess. So yeah, so apart from that, guys, just hope everyone's good. Hope you're all smashing it. You know, we should be looking at a busy month coming up with Christmas and office parties and this, that and the other, but it's usually expensive month for everyone as well, so that extra busyness just sort of plateaus itself with the amount of money we're all going to be spending on this, that, the other, you know, the whole Christmas 9 yards. But anyway, guys, that was just a quick video, let you know what I thought about Surge. Let me know if you guys got any Dashcam recommendations, and I'll look into them. When I do get my Dashcam, obviously I'm going to let you guys know which one I got and set it all up, and you know, the videos will change quite dramatically after that point. So yeah, thanks guys, take care.